Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, my name is Donna, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury. So if that's your cup of tea, stick with me because I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So in today's video, it's gonna be kind of short and sweet, and I basically just need your advice. So I need your advice on what to do with this Louis Vuitton Noe. It's a vintage version, obviously. So this bag, I've had it for a couple of years now. However, it was a gift. It was my mother-in-law's handbag, and my husband gifted it to me for one of my birthdays. It is over 30 years old, I would say. It is from about the late 80s, early 90s. And the reason I'm filming this video today is because I don't know what to do. As you can see, the condition isn't, well, it's been through the ringer, you can tell. I mean, no, you can't lie. And I'm just wondering what to do. I just want to show you close up. So as you can see, the canvas is in really good condition. Louis Vuitton canvas is basically indestructible, so I have no complaints. It's the vachetta that's more of the problem. And as you can see, this bag originally, there was like a leather trim around, so you can still see the yellow stitching. And the trim was held together by that yellow stitching. And what happened over time is that leather kind of just broke apart and like was chipping off, so I just removed it all because it didn't look good at all. And it kind of gave the bag a new life. As well, this string here, it is a leather string. It's not Louis Vuitton. I purchased it at like a leather shop, just because the original one kind of just broke off. I was wearing it one day and it just kind of slit, like it broke where the knot was. So I just removed it because it wasn't working. And as you can see, the strap isn't bad. I mean, it's just this part that twirls that's it annoys me a little bit. But other than that, yes, it looks old and used, but it's normal. It's a vintage bag. Underneath, you do have some, as you can see, the feet are kind of tarnished a little bit. That doesn't really bother me that much, to be honest, just because you don't really see the bottom of the bag. And as well, over time, the gold will get kind of that used brassy color. And I kind of like it. It kind of looks like, it kind of gives life to your Louis Vuitton. The stains at the bottom as well, as you can see, it is pretty stained. They don't bother me just because it is the bottom of the bag, and well, you don't really look at the bottom of the bag usually. I'm gonna show you a close-up of the straps just so you can see. So as you can see, the leather is kind of like thinned out and used. There are some watermarks on the strap. It's the same thing on the other side. It just looks like it will eventually just break apart, kind of like the string holding it together. So I kind of just need to know what you guys think I should do. I mean, I can repair the bag. If I were to repair it, the three main changes I would like to make is kind of just re-add that leather trimming around the trim of the bag. I would replace the leather string with an original Louis Vuitton one. And as well, I would replace this whole strap. As you can see here, I would replace that all. I went to the Louis Vuitton boutique in Montreal because Louis Vuitton does repair their bags. So you can go in, show them your bag, show them what you like repaired, and they will quote you and then eventually make the changes you asked for. So to make those three changes, the price I was quoted was around, I think was around $400, $400 or $500 if I'm not mistaken. To change the string is about $10, so that really doesn't cost much. It's mostly the trimming and to replace the strap basically that costs the most money. So that's the quote I got. I was very happy to learn that they do repair their bags. I didn't know it was a service that they offered. And it kind of changes my whole look on Louis Vuitton. I don't know if other fashion boutiques or luxury boutiques do that as well, but good for you, Louis. Basically, there are three options with this bag. I can firstly get it repaired, And it does hold a lot of sentimental value because it did belong to my husband's mom. So I would be keeping all that or holding on to that sentimental value. Then I can kind of just purchase it new, or the new version, which would be around 2,000 Canadian. As well, I could buy another Noe on the vintage or pre-loved market. I can probably find one for less than 1,000. So those are my three options, my three alternatives that I'm kind of just thinking about right now. And obviously pre-loved is more tricky because it all depends on the condition of the bag and the condition mostly of the vachetta. I am leaning towards one option. The option I am leaning towards is to get it repaired, just because it does hold so much sentimental value that I don't mind putting in or dishing out around $400, $500 to repair this bag. I do use it a lot. It is kind of a workhorse bag for me. And the canvas is honestly really impressive. It's in great condition. It doesn't look reused at all. I did contemplate maybe just buying a new one because I do use it so much and I do love this bag. It is a classic for me. But as well, I'm thinking if I'm gonna spend that lump of $2,000 on a bag, why not just get a brand new bag, just different style altogether that I really like and enjoy? Not that I don't really like and enjoy this bag, I do. But why not just try something new? And pre-loved, I mean, if I'm gonna spend after duties and taxes and everything, I live in Canada, so we have a lot of taxes. Obviously, there will be duties. It will come out to about the same, not 2,000, but it will come out to around the same price point. I'm not really saving any money. And the vachetta will be kind of used, so I will probably have the same problem in the future. So the pre-loved market, I'm kind of not into that. I'm not close to the idea, but it's not my first option right now. Those are kind of what I've been thinking and contemplating about. So do you guys have any advice? Have you guys used the Louis Vuitton repair service? If you have, let me know about your experience. I'm very interested. And basically, what do you guys think I should do? I have no idea, so leave all your advice in the comment section. I have no idea what to do about this bag. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Do you guys have any questions, or are you guys contemplating anything about either a luxury item or just luxury designer bag in general? If you are, leave your question below. Maybe I can give you my advice and help you out. In turn, leave your advice as well for me. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys!